Yo, free online money maker. What up, people? What up? Just want to talk to you real quick. I got crazy day today. I had my son's birthday party today. Crazy busy day today. Alright, so I just want to talk to you guys and just get you guys to stop wasting days. Alright, take control of your life and stop wasting days. Alright, I got everything ready. Son's birthday party today. I'm gonna show you guys some footage about that later. My son's birthday party. Show you guys some footage on that. Got everything ready though. Hard work, a lot of hard work, but got everything ready. Alright, about to just clean up. About to go to the store, buy a couple of last items. Alright, but this video is about to be a little everywhere right here. Alright, I want you guys to stop wasting days. Stop wasting this precious time that we have. Tomorrow's not promised. Okay, you guys gotta wake up and get motivated. Be up every day, right? Be motivated to lose weight, gain weight, get healthier, earn more income, right? Be happier. Do things that make you happy, all the time. I do things that make me happy all the time. So you guys have to start doing these different things, all right, people? So I just want to have a talk with you guys. I got 3 cash outs right here. 3 cash outs. Just want you guys to stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. Stop wasting days. All right, everything is for a reason. We're doing everything for a reason. All right, sit right here. Everything we do is for a purpose, people. All right, what I'm doing right now is not for me. All right, it's for my little man. If something happens to me, I have to have something for him, right? God forbid something happens to me today, tomorrow, whatever, right? What does he have? What did I leave him, right? Only thing I left him is what memories and whatever I have, right? So that memories part I got on lockdown, right? Every time he sees me, every time we chill, every time we hang out, he knows what it is, right? We go 0 to 100 every single time, right? It's more than that, people. You cannot be blind to what's facts, all right? Something happens to me, what is my girl and my son going to do? You know what I'm saying? Not that they're going to be in sham, you know what I'm saying? But what are they going to do? What are they going to do, right? So you got to be prepared for these things, right? You got to be prepared. You got to be motivated. People, be super motivated. You got to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning. You got to want to wake up. Right? Work out, get right. Check your online businesses. Check your sites, right? When I say online businesses, use my free online money maker as an online business. When you sign up, let me get up in here. When you get up on PrizeRebel, all right, look at my stats for PrizeRebel. You know me, people. Tear the curtain back. I'll show you guys everything. When you go on PrizeRebel and you see me and you're doing your thing on PrizeRebel, you see my points right here. Let me go to rewards. Let me go to rewards real quick. I'm gonna do a cash out. I'm just gonna do a $20 cash out because I want it to come in instantly. Because I gotta go to the store right now, and I'm not trying to spend none of my money. So I'm trying to spend, free online money maker. Go to the store, use this for my son's party. So like I said, this is why I do what I do. I use free online money maker. Even if I make $20, $40 on here, I'm gonna take that and use it for my son's party or for essential stuff that I need. He's having a birthday party today. I need stuff, right? I need more stuff. We got so much stuff, but I need more. All right, let me show you what they was working on. Let me show you what my lady was working on. Y'all gonna be like, oh, this is about to be crazy. Watch this. Look at that. It's first party. It's like 600 balloons here or something like that. Look at that. See that? So it's about to be crazy in here. So it's this is why I'm doing what I do. I don't do what I do to go buy a pair of Jordans, to go buy a pair of Nikes, to go get fresh, go get fly, to go buy a bottle of liquor. I don't do that for this, people. I do this to elevate, right? Because why? My 9 to 5 is not enough. My 9 to 5 will never be enough. Even if it's enough, it's still not enough, right? Because something like this pops up, my son's birthday party, we spent at least $500, $800, maybe over that, $1,000, right, for his party, set everything up, right? Where's this money coming from? Where is this income coming from? My girl comes to me, I need $50 to buy subs. I need $100 to buy this. I need $40 to buy this. I need $60 to buy this. I got balloons coming in. I need $50 for balloons. What? So you have to understand, these things add up. This is why I'm doing this, all right? So let's jump in this cash out real quick. Sometimes people, I'm gonna give you these videos where you need to understand this. You cannot waste a day. You cannot wake up and be lethargic and just be like, you cannot do that. All right, I'm gonna have crazy in detail, in-depth videos on how to really maximize 24 hours. Like, I'm not playing. Like, some people that know me know that I don't play, but the people that don't really know who I am, like, they just be like, oh, okay, he's just talking. I'm not talking, people. I show proof, facts, results. People, if you watch some of my videos, I be up 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, cash out time. What's good? What's up? Look, trying to talk to you guys. Trying to, people. I make things happen because I'm trying. I'm swinging. I'm fighting out here, right? I'm fighting the fight. You can't just wake up and just go on your day. You know what I'm saying? You can't just wake up. Oh, go to work, come home. Oh, I'm just gonna watch Netflix and chill, take a shower, eat some nice dinner, lay in my bed, and that's it. Like, nah, that's not life, people. That's not life. All right, you're supposed to be doing literally whatever you want. Why? Because tomorrow's not promised, and we're not. 100 years is not a long time. I don't know who told somebody that was a long time. Not a long time. So you have to make use of every single day, people. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing, because I'm tired of going in my 9 to 5 and wasting. I'm not saying wasting, because I need that to feed my family. But at the end of the day, I should be able to earn that money I should be able to earn that money online, so I don't have to go to work for 10 hours a day, right? 10 hours a day. My son and my lady are home. I can't even spend time with them because I got to go to work. You know what I'm saying? This hurts my heart every single day. This is why I'm trying to change. This is why I'm trying to get to where I need to get to. This is why I'm not going to stop. Because why would I stop? Because if I stop doing what I'm doing, that means I'm going to stay longer at my 9 to 5 job. So you have to put these things together. You have to be thinking about these things 24/7 while your day is going. You got to be thinking like, yo, how long am I going to be working at this job? When am I going to be able to wake up and do what I want to do? You know what I'm saying? Not what I have to do what I want to do. All right? So my bad, people. You know how I be coming in, but I just really want you guys to understand it. Because if you don't understand that, you're not going to really do anything with my system. All this free stuff I'm showing you, you're not going to really take it and use it to your advantage. I'm the #1 person that took this free money and used it to my advantage the most ever, people. All right? Because you see I got something coming in every single day. You see I'm helping people. You see that the progression, everything is just moving. It's not moving crazy. It's just moving. Little by little, it's just moving. So I got no problem with that. 5 years from now, money making is going to be crazy. 10 years is going to be insane, right? But, you know, it's time. You just got to stay grinding, stay with what you're doing, all right, people? And never listen to anybody. Do not listen to anybody, all right? That's my bad, people. I want to cash out the first minute just to show you how long it takes. But I did this cash out so many times. I don't think this is going to take long at all. It should take like 5 minutes. No more than 5 minutes. We'll find out right now. And I also have an instant PayPal. It's a $20 cash out right here. Only reason I'm not doing a 50 is because it might take a little while. It might take a couple hours. I need the money now. Like, literally right now. Like, I don't have any type of money on me to be using. And people, I have like a strict budget. Like, sometimes when I get to a certain amount of money, like, I don't care what pops up. I'm not spending it until I find the money. I'm not going to go in the bank and go into your savings account, take the money. Nah. We're going to find a way to get this money and pay for whatever we need to pay for. We're not about to just keep, you know what I'm saying? You have to be your philosophy has to be pinpoint type, people. All right, look, $20 cash out right here. You see my stats right here, people. Look, that's the only thing I pay attention to. Lifetime points, people. $6,232.99. You cannot make this stuff up. It's 100% free. Yeah, I've been doing this for what, 3 years, maybe 3-4 years. Yeah, I've been doing it for 3-4 years, but it's free income. I could have made this become way more income if I wanted to. The only reason I haven't is because I'm doing other things. I don't have time to be on the site and just going crazy, right? I don't have time to just keep promoting this site only. I have different things to do. I want to learn about different online businesses that got like has products, ticket sales, so I can get a sale. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just a referral earning, I get a sale, an actual sale. So that's what I'm like learning about more now. All right. So quick, let me jump into Offer Nation real quick, people. Like I said, I do this video for you guys, people. I want you guys to be healthy. I want you guys to make more money, and I want you guys to be happy. Because at the end of the day, it's gonna be over soon, people. It's gonna be over soon. So you have to like really be proactive on life. Like, just be happy. Just be glad you're grinding. Be happy through the bad times. Like, something bad happens to me, I get so mad, and then I just smile and be like, yo, at least I have a chance for this to happen to me. Some people don't even have the opportunity for bad things to happen to them. You know what I'm saying? So you have to understand that. Take life by the horns, people, and really go get it. All right, it's time to go get it right now. Offer Nation. Let me do this cash out real quick. Let me go to convert real quick. I don't know how much. Oh, I got some points right there. Let me convert those points. Prevent these points real quick. 516.58, I think. 516. My bad, people. I just woke up, voice all crazy. I'm like, I'm not really fully here yet. But right after I do this, I'm gonna just jump. I'm gonna jump in that cold morning pool to wake up. And just jump in that pool. It's gonna wake me up, and then I'm out running around the house doing what I gotta do. So like I said, every single day you want to continue to grind, you want to continue to put these together, and you want to continue to have something coming in. You need something coming in on every single day basis, all right? So $16.50 right here. I'm about to cash this out. Like I said, I'm about to go to Walmart, so I'm about to use this money right now. So this is what I'm trying to really show you guys. Instant PayPal. You could use this and get the money now and actually go to the store and use the money right now, like today, like in the next 8 minutes, you could use the money. You see what I'm saying? So this is not about like you're getting paid later or anything like that. You're getting paid now. You can use the money now for essentials and things that you have to spend it on, right? All right. So let me go to withdraw right here, and always do instant PayPal. All right, it should be your second option, instant PayPal. All right, do instant PayPal. I'm gonna click withdraw right here. Now, once I click withdraw right there, it's literally instantly. I can literally log into my PayPal right now, and the money should be there. All right, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Log into this PayPal real quick. All right, I'm in the PayPal account. Let me scroll up so you know my name. Here it is, right here. $36.10. This is the cash out from yesterday. This is actually the pay viewpoint cash out. It's the pay viewpoint cash out. It came in a little later. All right, so I got $36.10 in my account. $16.19. It's kind of weird right now, right? Didn't we just cash out $15? Why did they give me $16? Am I tripping, people? Let me go back to Offer Nation here. I thought we just cashed out. I gotta watch this. I gotta rewind the video. I thought we just cashed out 15 and some change. $15, right? And some change. And then they take a 2% fee for the instant PayPal. And then I come to my PayPal, and then I got $16.19. July 12th. I didn't cash nothing out. Today's the 12th. Yeah, I didn't cash anything out today. This is the first cash out. All right, so I don't know. They gave me an extra couple cents. I don't know why. I'll figure it out later. Yeah, $16.19. I just cashed out, but I could have sworn it was $15 and some change. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. I'll watch the video again. It's early. But they gave me an extra couple of cents. I don't know why, but the money's here right now. Look, $16. I could use it right now. Right? Now, the money from the PrizeRebel that I just cashed out still didn't go through yet. Let's go to PrizeRebel real quick. See, payment completed. Oh, this is the $50 one from last month. This is $20 cash out. Let's refresh this right here. See if this is good. And it says pending, so it still didn't go through yet. So sometimes with PrizeRebel, you're gonna have to wait like 5-10 minutes, something like that. But it's gonna be in. It's gonna be in, no problem. All right. Now what I wanted to show you guys, instant PayPal is always faster. All right. You see, they gave me a couple extra cents. I don't know why, but you see the money comes in immediately. All right. I'm gonna refresh it just to see if PrizeRebel came in yet. And PrizeRebel is usually way faster. I don't know what's the problem with it today. It's usually way faster. All right, so the PrizeRebel still didn't come in. All right, but once the PrizeRebel comes in, I'm gonna have $56.10. Right, and I think I got about $20 in my wallet, so that would be like $75 right there. So that's okay. I could use $75. Go there. I gotta buy a couple of drinks and some chips and stuff like that, a little couple of snacks and stuff for the kids, and I should be good. All right, I gotta buy something for the pool. So $75, free money. All right, like once I cash out this another $20, once this $20 come in, it's gonna be $56, and I got $20 in my pocket. So that's $70, like right there that I could use, right? And I also have another site right here, my InstaGC site. It's the best site to watch videos on. All right, people, the best site to watch videos on. All right, go watch my tutorial, people. Watch my tutorial. I have a $48 right here cash out. I'm also gonna cash this out, but I'm gonna do this on a separate video. I'm gonna do some separate video just to give you a good tutorial breakdown. Like I said, watch my last video. Watch my last InstaGC video. I break everything down for you. All right, people. This is free online money maker. This is what I do every single day, people. I have different sites and apps that I cash out on. All right, so it's up to you to start earning $1, $2, $5, $10, $12 every single day on each site. It can be done. Go watch my first 50 videos I used to do them. All right, so it's PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel's taking a little long to cash out. It's okay. What about another 5-10 minutes to see if it comes in? All right, free online money maker. Do what you gotta do in your spare time, people. Stay